Must-have skills for beginners in Tech 2026 are 2 beginners can start learning tech today, and in just 1 year, one of them becomes highly paid while the other struggles to find any work. So what's the one difference that decides who wins and who gets left behind? The tech world in 2026 is not what it used to be. A few years ago, simply learning how to code or understanding basic concepts was enough to land a decent job. Today, that is no longer the case. The rapid rise of artificial intelligence, automation, cloud computing, and data-driven systems has completely changed what it means to have tech skills. Now, beginners entering the field are expected not just to know technology, but to understand how to use it intelligently, adapt quickly, and solve real-world problems. The biggest shift is this. It's no longer about just technical skills, it's about combining technical, analytical, and human skills together. In 2026, companies are not just hiring coders, they are hiring problem solvers who can work alongside AI, interpret data, and create meaningful solutions. This means beginners need to focus on a new set of must-have skills that go beyond the basics. One of the most important skills for beginners today is AI literacy. This does not mean you need to become an AI engineer right away. Instead, it means understanding how AI works, what it can and cannot do, and how to use AI tools effectively. AI is now integrated into almost every industry, from healthcare to marketing to software development. Employers are increasingly looking for people who can work with AI systems, evaluate their outputs, and use them responsibly. In fact, AI-related skills such as machine learning, data analysis, and prompt engineering are among the most in-demand capabilities in 2026. Even at a beginner level, knowing how to interact with AI tools gives you a major advantage. Closely related to AI literacy is prompt engineering and AI tool usage. This is one of the fastest growing beginner-friendly skills. Prompt engineering involves giving clear and effective instructions to AI tools like chatbots or content generators to get high-quality results. It requires creativity, clarity, and understanding of how AI responds to different inputs. This skill is particularly valuable because it does not require deep coding knowledge, making it accessible to beginners. Many companies now expect employees to use AI tools to increase productivity, meaning this skill is quickly becoming essential. Another foundational skill is programming, but with a modern twist. Learning programming is still important, especially languages like Python and JavaScript. Python, in particular, is widely used in data science, AI, automation, and web development due to its simplicity and versatility. However, in 2026, programming alone is not enough. You need to understand how to use code in combination with AI tools, APIs, and automation systems. The focus has shifted from writing every line of code manually to knowing how to build efficient systems using available tools. Alongside programming, data literacy and data analysis have become critical skills. Today, companies generate massive amounts of data, but they need people who can interpret that data and turn it into actionable insights. Data literacy means understanding how to read, analyze, and communicate data effectively. Even if you are not a data scientist, having basic knowledge of tools like Excel, SQL, or visualization platforms can significantly increase your value. The demand for data professionals continues to grow as organizations rely heavily on data-driven decision-making. Another must-have skill is cloud computing. Almost every modern application runs on the cloud, whether it's a website, an app, or a data system. Platforms like Ours, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud are now the backbone of digital infrastructure. Beginners who understand how cloud systems work, even at a basic level, have a strong advantage. Cloud computing is consistently ranked among the top tech skills for 2026 as more companies move their operations online. Learning cloud fundamentals helps you understand how modern systems are built, deployed, and scaled. Cybersecurity is another essential area that beginners should not ignore. As technology grows, so do security threats. Companies need professionals who can protect data, systems, and networks from cyber attacks. Even basic knowledge of cybersecurity principles such as secure passwords, data protection, and network safety can make you stand out. Advanced cybersecurity skills are in high demand, especially in cloud and AI environments. In a world where data breaches are becoming more common, security awareness is no longer optional, it is a necessity. In addition to technical skills, automation and no-code tools are becoming increasingly important. Not everyone needs to be a hardcore programmer anymore. Many platforms allow you to build websites, automate workflows, and create applications without writing complex code. These tools are especially useful for beginners because they allow you to create real projects quickly. Learning how to use automation tools and no-code platforms can help you understand how systems work while also making you productive from the start. Another key skill is problem solving and critical thinking. Technology is constantly evolving and new challenges appear every day. Being able to analyze a problem, break it down, and find a solution is one of the most valuable skills you can have. AI can assist with many tasks, but it cannot replace human judgment and decision-making. In fact, experts emphasize that skills like critical thinking, communication, and adaptability are becoming even more important in the AI era. These skills help you use technology effectively rather than rely on it blindly. Communication skills are often overlooked but are extremely important in tech. Whether you are working with a team, explaining your ideas, or interacting with clients, clear communication can make a huge difference. Many tech roles require collaboration across different departments, making it essential to convey technical concepts in a simple and understandable way. Strong communication skills can set you apart, even if your technical skills are still developing. Adaptability is another must-have skill in 2026. The tech industry changes rapidly, and skills that are in demand today may become outdated tomorrow. Being adaptable means being open to learning new tools, technologies, and methods. It also means staying curious and continuously improving your knowledge. The ability to learn quickly is often more valuable than what you already know. Another emerging skill is DevOps and system thinking. DevOps involves understanding how software is developed, tested, and deployed. It focuses on collaboration between development and operations teams to create efficient workflows. While this may sound advanced, beginners can start by learning basic concepts such as version control, continuous integration, and deployment processes. These skills are highly valued because they help organizations deliver software faster and more reliably. AI-related specializations are also becoming increasingly important. Skills like machine learning, natural language processing, and deep learning are among the fastest growing areas in tech. While these may seem advanced, beginners can start with the basics and gradually build their knowledge. Machine learning, for example, is considered one of the most in-demand skills globally, with applications in nearly every industry. Understanding these concepts can open doors to high-paying and future-proof careers. Another important skill is digital collaboration and remote work tools. In 2026, many tech jobs are remote or hybrid.
This means you need to be comfortable using tools like Slack, Zoom, GitHub, and project management platforms. Being able to collaborate effectively in a digital environment is essential for productivity and teamwork. It is also important to mention domain knowledge. Having technical skills is important, but understanding a specific industry can make you even more valuable.
If you want to learn the exact skills that actually matter in today's tech world and stay ahead of everyone else, hit subscribe, because what you learn next could change your entire future.